Hi, welcome to my tutorial on site suitability analysis using ArcMap. Let's see the contents of this tutorial now. At first, we will import the data in our ArcGIS project and then we will do some necessary calculations to get the required rasters that will be used in Raster Calculator to find the best suitable site. For that, we will use Contour tool and Euclidean Distance tool. We will use Raster Calculator to do site suitability analysis at last. So, without further ado, let's get started. At first, let's open ArcMap and import the data that is given to us. As we will be working in context of DEM data, let's set the environment settings in Arc Toolbox directly so that every toolbox operations will maintain the environment setting set here. The processing extent will be same as layer elevation and snap raster will be the land use layer. After selecting OK, let's find the slope for the area. For that, we will use the slope tool and use elevation as our input. We will show the output location and use percent rise as the output measurement. I am separating the outputs to another data frame for ease of work later. Now, let's find the necessary distances that will affect the overall suitability of a location. For that, I am using Euclidean Distance tool and using recreational sites layer as input. Going with default settings, we can get a raster that indicates the distance from the recreational sites. Just like this, I am going to create distance raster for school. Then it is time to reclassify the rasters. As I have a separate data frame, I am activating it and using the reclassify tool to reclassify the values of rasters according to their effect on the suitability of the site. Sometimes we have to click on reverse new values button to assign higher new values to lower old value ranges, because some variables actually affect the suitability positively and some affect negatively. When reclassifying the land use, we have to follow these values shown in the PDF for this particular purpose. Finally, reclassification is done and it is time to use the raster calculator to do final site suitability analysis calculation. Let's open the raster calculator and add the values of rasters according to their values shown in the screen. If you need, you can pause the video to get a glance. We have to make sure to put int command before the whole equation to get results in integer format. After clicking OK, finally we have a raster that indicates the suitability of the locations. Let's change the symbology for better understanding of the result. I am removing colors for every values except the last three ones. On the last three ones, I am setting a better color. Now we can see the areas that are more suitable for creating a school. I hope you learned something new today. See you in the next tutorial.